this is wpholdercom, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can ask me for help by email in the description under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. I'm trying my best and it's easy and free for you. Okay, today I want to show you how to set up your shipping methods in WooCommerce website. If my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation or to support me. All info is in the description area under this video. Okay, so you configured WooCommerce, you configured WordPress, you like your theme, you added products, all perfect, and you want to handle the shipping. What you should do? So you should go into WordPress dashboard, WooCommerce, and settings. It's really easy to do. Go into shipping, and here are shipping zones, shipping options, and shipping classes. For some regular WordPress WooCommerce shop, you just need shipping zones. If you have some local website, it will be enough. So for example, you have ship, let's delete mine, okay, and click add shipping zone. You see we have nothing for now. Click add and write zone name like zone 1. Here can be any title you want, it's for you. Zone region. Here you should write your region where you want to do shipping. So here you can write by zip codes. Here is documentation with where to find zip codes. Let's find it. Oh, okay, let's find. So I can find it, but I remember there was some few years ago there was some website with all zip codes. So you should set up zone regions, which will be like United States and state Arizona, for example. And now click add shipping method. For Arizona, we want flat rate. Click add shipping method. Now you can to this flat rate, click edit, and may it cost like $10. Okay, if you want flat rate $10, be not only in Arizona and also in some Alaska, Alabama, just add it and click save. So now during checkout, when person fill the address, he will get, if address will be from Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, WooCommerce checking it by zip code. They will show flat rate option with 10%. If you want to add some additional shipping methods, you can click add shipping methods and make for local pickup. Why not? Okay, you can click edit and cost 0. Local pickup, so no cost for us. Okay, let's go back to shipping zones. This was zone 1. Now we want to create additional zone, which will be zone 2. And let's check United States and California, Colorado. You want flat rate, which will be $40. Okay, and you same want free local pickup for free. They can came to you and get their products. Okay, so now if user fill checkout and zip is from California or Colorado, they will see flat rate as $40. But if they are from Alabama, they will be $10. Okay, what about other world? So add ship zones, and here is zone 3, and right here United States. You can do option for all country. You see United States and write flat rate. It means that for selected regions like Colorado, Alabama will be the amount we configured. But for other regions, the amount will be which we will configure now. Let's make it $100. For all other states, will be $100. Okay. If you want to add all world, you can write here. Okay, you can't write all world. You should do custom coding or plugin, but you probably don't need to configure the whole world. It's overcomplicated, I think. So I think it's very easy, and let's check how it works. So we have our cart. Okay, we have checkout and Alabama zip, California zip. The United States is just an example. You can see the same configuration works for all countries like Colombia or Chile, you see? Okay, let me check some other state. I'm not sure. Okay. I forgot all United States. California, Florida. Okay, I had a client from Florida. We worked like 3 years. California zip and Florida zip. Let's see. So we have state and it says Alabama. Which shipping option we have? Flat rate and local pickup. We have, oh, I even don't need zip code. Great. California. We have California. And options are flat rate 40 or local pickups. And let's check Florida. Florida, $100. You see? Okay. I hope this video really helped you. If you want to say thank you, I am always happy to get some donation by crypto, by PayPal, or if you want, you can contact me by email. So if you find something difficult or you got some issues or you want something more complicated, you contact me by email under this video and we will find solution for your case. That's all. So hope it works for you. Hope I help you and hope your business will go well. And thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and follow me. Have a good day.